Firefighter Nick DeVito with Loudoun County Fire and Rescue. We're sitting outside Fire Station 9 right now, and we're about to take a look at the fire engine. Come on, let's go take a look. Let's take a look where the driver sits. The driver's responsibility is to get to and from the emergency in a safe manner. The driver's seat comes with a steering wheel, a gas pedal, and a brake, just like a normal car. It has lots of buttons that control the sirens and lights. Behind the driver is where the firefighters sit. We carry lots of tools and equipment in the back here. The firefighter always carries his or her radio. The radios act like our walkie-talkies. We're able to talk to each other when we're far apart. We also carry medical equipment on the fire engines. The medical equipment bag has Band-Aids and medicine for sick and injured people. Also in the back are our Airpacks. Our Airpacks allow us to breathe clean air when we're in the middle of a fire. Sometimes firefighters respond to emergencies at night. For that, we carry flashlights. These are just some of the tools we keep in back of the fire truck. This is our pump panel. This is where we control the water coming in to the fire truck from a fire hydrant and going out of the fire truck from hoses such as this. The fire engine is a big toolbox. Let's take a look at some of these tools. This is called the thermal imaging camera, or as we call it, a TIC. The thermal imaging camera allows firefighters to see objects and people in the dark and in smoky rooms. Oftentimes, firefighters use tools called hooks. This is what a hook looks like. Sometimes fire hides in ceilings. Oftentimes, firefighters have to go through the ceiling with a hook and pull the ceiling down in order to find the fire and extinguish it. Next, we'll go to the irons. The irons are a group of tools consisting of an axe and a Halligan Bar. The axe allows us to chop through objects, and the Halligan Bar allows us to open up objects. And of course, all fire engines carry fire extinguishers. For smaller fires, firefighters will put out the fire with this fire extinguisher. These are just some of the tools firefighters use on a daily basis here in Loudoun County. As we make our way back to the fire engine, we have a lot more hose. Each hose is of varying size and length. There's over 5 football fields worth of hose back here. Well, that's our fire engine. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch.
So long.